Okay. That's where all the construction workers live. We're gonna be checking out and seeing kind of where they live. I'll tell you more about it later. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so you can see that whole line that goes all the way down, right? And it also goes all the way down this way too. So basically all these casinos and construction workers and people that are doing all this stuff, they gotta live somewhere. I get the impression they don't get paid much money, but they give them housing. So we're gonna go buy some that are, let me just see here. Ooh. So there you can see some of them right there, right? So you can see the housing, and let's just kind of go here, and this goes down quite a ways. So yeah, so actually it looks like it kind of goes down like all the way down, rows and rows and rows of them. I don't know if I can put the camera up and tell the story. I'm on my bike as well right here, so. But actually, if you can just look down this way, you can just see there's like tons and tons of, there's a guy right there. So there's like a little shuttle bus, you know, just buses actually come out here too. And they are on their cell phones a lot too. But yeah, you can see, we're gonna keep on. So a lot of the people here are working and live over here. So I do let's see if I can find a good vantage point. The other day I came by here at nighttime. It was my first time here, and you maybe saw a camera of me doing that shot. Here's the angle right here. So I was here the other day on my bike. Look at all the cool mountains over there. But I came by and it was like kind of nighttime, and basically had a lot of people that were just kind of walking around. Looks like they live in their little box. Doors are open, clothes are hanging outside, and you'd kind of walk around on those steps, brushing your teeth. There's one right there. So so a lot of them are probably at work right now. So you can kind of see what it looks like a little bit. So I guess it's all just temporary housing right now, right? So anyways, another little side of Macau. Okay, so that's another side of Macau. Hope you enjoyed that one. So this is basically where all the construction workers live. So another part, just a little bit of context. Just for some context, that's a MGM. That's oh, dang it. That's the MGM. That's the I can't remember the name. But and there's a sports center. There's some new casinos over there that we're going to explore in some future videos. There's Lisboa, Palace Lisboa. That's Wind Palace, and then that's a kind of Londoner Morpheus. Okay, so we're kind of near the strip, and we're kind of sandwiched. And there's my bike, and we're kind of sandwiched over by this mountain, which is kind of cool too. Amazing, actually. And they're doing lots of construction around here as well. Okay. Toma cuidado la